Yeah, so it hasn't been that long, but I guess remember how I made a video about the popping sound? Well, the popping sound eventually killed the boiler, I think. I don't know, something like that. But anyway, this is the boiler. It's not even that old, and so I called the technician to come in to see because the thing won't turn on at all. So that means it's requiring parts and stuff like that. And I'm not gonna mess with this because this could blow up in your face, like literally. It's not something you mess with. So you actually call a technician because you want to live. You want to live, man. All right. Anyway, so yeah. So somebody's coming over to fix this up, and I'll let you guys know what happens next and what the damage is. Because this is, as I said before, if you look at it, it's shiny, it's new, it's been up for like
Likey